Hello everyone. Today we will start with Unit 5. In this unit, we will study about the decision of elements of marketing mix. Our first topic is product decision. Earlier, product is very important in the marketing mix because it's a basic thing which is be offered. Means on that level we have to start with our marketing. Okay, the product is what is the product? The product is the offered by the organization or company or firm, okay, whatever they produce, okay, to the consumer to satisfy their need, okay, they want and earn profit. So that is all about a product. Okay, product is nothing, it is a package of the problem solving device and it's something more than a physical product. This is because of the product encompasses of number of social psychological attributes and other intangible and tangible factors which is provide a satisfaction to the consumer. A marketer can satisfy the needs and wants of a customer by offering something in exchange of money, and this is offering is basically a product. So I hope you understand about the product. Product is something we are exchange, means we give offer the benefit to the customer and customer buy this benefit by their attributes. It could be physical, it could be a psychological, social, okay, intangible and tangible aspect of the product or service. Now what is the product concept? The concept we already discussed. The concept is the study about that more innovative and going in broader way. The product is offered by the organization or company to earn profit, okay, and the revenue by meeting the customer need. Okay, so the concept of product is related to the study about the consumer and buyer needs and want, and means then try to know about the customer, okay, what they want to. So that become the concept, the study part of the product. So we make a product according to then the study of market size and growth and research. So that's consists the study of marketing, what kind of marketing size, what kind of market growth, what types of market it is. So this is the concept of product. Now the topic is product mix. The product is related to the groups of, we can say the product combination of all products is called be a product mix. Means whatever manufacturing out of the company or firm is selling, it could be a combination of all product, it called be product mix. Okay, so there could be a relate to each other or could be a single product. Okay, so the product mix includes the two points. First one is the product line, second is the product item. Product line is the group of product which similar to each other but distinct in one. Okay, so that's all fall in one category. If we talk about take one example of product line, means a toothpaste of Colgate company, means that offering all kind of variety of toothpaste, but they fall in the toothpaste category, but there are different variety of toothpaste are there. That is the product line where they offer one same product within distinction way, that is line of the product line. Okay, and the product item, it is the distinct unit, means the main per a single item with the product line is separated from each another. Okay, so that is the product line. Means if they are talking about the two types of toothpaste by the Colgate, so that could be a product item and the whole thing will be a product line. Now talk about the structure of product mix. Means what kind of structure is there. There is a two main point of product mix is the product line and product item. Product item means the individual product which is are selling. It could be anyone, but in that following category it could be a product line. Already we take example of toothpaste where we talk about the Colgate, means the Colgate herbal, Colgate and different Colgate variety of toothpaste are there. So this all are product item of the Colgate company, but the product line is they are fall in one category is toothpaste. Okay, that would be the product line for the company. Okay, so the structure product means the product, the width of the product mix means the number of different product lines, that is the width of product mix. Means the company offering a uh, shampoo, okay, conditioner, okay, the hair oil, so that is the cosmetic product, but they are all the different product. Okay, the product line is different. Okay, so there are the number of different products lines, okay, found within the company. मतलब एक कंपनी के अंदर कितने सारे प्रोडक्ट दे ऑफरिंग, दैट इज द विड्थ ऑफ डेप्थ. So that is the second point of the structure of product. Depth is referred to the number of product items are offered in each product line, right? If we talk about the shampoo, hair oil, conditioner, soap, there are cosmetic items, but the for the company product line is shampoo, conditioner, soaps and hair oil. But in again the depth is in particular take a shampoo, so how the range of the shampoo means what kind of shampoo is offering. It could be a chemical basing, herbal, okay, for teenager, for baby shampoo. So that is the product, that is the depth in a particular product line. And the consistency related to the product mix, again with the mainly related to the width of the means how closely related are the various product lines. Okay, just like the soap, shampoo, they are all related. Consistency means they are dealing with cosmetic. Okay, we are taking example of the cosmetic. Now if you go to the, if a company making cosmetic and then making a electronic item, so the whole new product range is there. Okay, product line is there, so that is the consistency will be different from the earlier product line. So that is all about consistency. Now the product element of product decision, on that we have how production decision happen. So there are 5 points. So first one is production. Normally if you are producing your products, so that's how there is important point, because we are not can't product, so we can't sell it. So the continuity of supply if we required, so we have to be deal with the production line, which could be a wedge and one way. So whatever we product choose, we should related know our production capability, and the according to demand and supply we need to do production and make them as an inventory level, so we can manage with on the continuity basis. Specification means the highlighting the main features of the product, means whatever we do it should be specified, whatever we do the production and what products have main features. Culture is at the another attribute, means what product we are producing, it is highlighted to that area of the customer. Means area means what religion, what nationality, what location, okay, what religion, that all that would be a culture and social culture part. Okay, again the second one, physical product means the appearance and the look of the product, means what kind of color of the product, what is the range of the product. Okay, the size of that is the again the look and appearance of the product. The packaging means the whenever we do make a product, okay, means when we produce the product we have to be sent from one place to another place. Okay, so that is on basis of distribution and channel. So that should, so packaging is an important part. So how we handling our product, okay, so we should take care of the how we handle and how will after the handling or how will be look. So that is very important of. And the last one is the labeling consists of the help from the content of the product, means what, and it admiring the units, so it controls the production cost. Okay, the labeling always this specified the content of the product, what is in it the product. Okay, so that's we all take care about the production decision. Thank you.